What's up, Budness is here, and I have my brother with me with I did the Tuckies challenge of being boozled with him. He's a good kid. He's my brother. But today, I am unboxing my hinged handcuffs and brand new. I ordered them. So yeah. And later on, I'm gonna do a prank on my mom. And yeah, so let's get started, and I'm gonna use my brother's little arms to demonstrate my handcuffs on.
No!
But I'm not.
Okay.
But yeah.
But just don't put them tight.
I won't.
Don't.
Okay, but yeah, let's get into them.
I've never been handcuffed with real ones. I don't want to do this.
And these are Viper Tech, so we'll see.
No, real handcuffs.
Yeah, real.
They're black. But you.
Woo!
Yay!
Hold on. Don't open them yet, okay? You have to look at the box.
We got them. Here
Viper
it is.
Tech hinged black handcuffs. Get in the camera so we can see you. Ooh, baby!
We got them.
You want to open them?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Put it in the camera. Here we go. My brother's going to open them.
Whoa!
Watch this. Oh!
We got handcuffs.
Oh, man.
I want to be in them.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's make sure this has double lock. Yep. I'll show you the double lock.
I am the one with the gun respecting the streets.
1 minute. I'm going to pause it, and then I'll see you there once I get the keys off, okay? Okay, I got them off. My black Viper, let me see what they are. Sorry, Tone. Viper Techs, 2-lock, and these are double lock, hinged handcuffs. And they were supposed to come with a holster, but they didn't. But here's the keys. Oh gosh. Here's the...
They're heavy.
Yeah, go ahead. You can play with them. Do not lock them on yourself yet. Here's the keys for them. And this is to unlock it, this part. And then on the top is to double lock it. So, you go like this when you're going to double lock them. You push that in. Like that. I don't know if you could see the hole. Hold on. These are pretty dang heavy.
To feed the stuff in front of
Right there, that little button, silver button right there. Those are to double lock, and you see that right there? You push, do not yet, okay? You go, doop, and it double locks it. So, let me make sure these will unlock, okay? Don't lose the key. Yep, they work.
Put me in them.
Hold on. Now let's see about the double lock.
I got my key. I mean your key.
Double lock is on. It works. See, you can't push it through or out. That's what I mean by double lock. Double lock, you can't push it.
Here, how you undouble lock it?
I'll show you. You just push it in. And then there, I did it.
Here, handcuff me.
Okay, my brother wants me to move, Luna. I'm sorry. Here's our kitten. Oh yeah, baby kitten. Okay, you want to be handcuffed, bro?
I guess. But only in the front, because I don't like back.
Yeah, I know. Here, get up close.
Get my little handsies.
Right there, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom, for bringing me to prison.
Help me! Okay, you want to be unlocked now?
No.
You want
I'm
to?
gonna go show Mom.
No, let me double lock them. Let me double lock them.
No!
Yeah.
I swear I can. No!
One double lock? Wait. There. Is it double lock? Let me see. Yep.
No!
Yep. We'll be right back.
You could just go like this and
Okay, so we are back. I arrested my brother and they're pretty nice. I'm not like.
Here, let me handcuff you.
You want to handcuff me?
Yeah!
Okay.
And these are
Viper Tech.
You
You want to double lock me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do? Oh, let me take them off first so it's a little bit easier. Ooh, cute. Hold on.
And we got a pen too, which is just not in this video, but we're gonna order it on Friday, and today's Tuesday, so
Yep.
2 days.
Okay, so Tone, I'll show you the double lock. So you see how you could push it through like that? Well, double lock is where you could go like this. Let me see the key. I need a key to do it. You take this back end. See this back right there, that pointy thing?
Yeah.
And you see that?
Yeah.
You push it in until you hear a click. And then you look. Can't push it in or push it out. That's what the double lock is. So, Tony, you want to arrest me?
Yeah.
Keep that key there and you use this one.
Okay.
Okay, so Tony, you know how to do it? Only arrest me in the front, okay?
Okay, you're gonna be a prisoner.
Set the key down for now. Oh, yeah.
It's not too tight.
That's fine.
It's not too tight.
Good.
Okay, now
Now double lock it. Push the end in there until you hear a click. Okay? And then the other one. That's how it was because I tightened it all the way. No, and then that one.
do I have to have a different key?
No.
There, right?
Yep. That's because I undid the thing.
Haha, I got the key now, sucker.
These are Viper Tech handcuffs and
Jay, when you're done, you gotta put them in here, right?
yeah, but these are my Viper Tech handcuffs and let me see the keys. And the keys for double lock. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I'm gonna go see if my mom is sleeping and I'll see you there, okay? So we can do the prank. Okay, so I'm about to prank my mom. She's sleeping and my handcuff her and see what's her reaction when she wakes up. She's asleep, so I'm gonna set my camera over here.
Where we have that design. And now, to do the color that you see here, this was actually a 10-inch design, but you can't print 10 inches on a typical 8.5 by 11 printer, so we only scanned in an 8-inch design, so I actually want to make that bigger. To do that, we're going to go here.
Keys on my double locker.
Okay, and we're going to resize up to 10 inches. Okay. I'm going to put this in and load it up. Do you have to have a special blade in the cutter for this, G? Not a special blade per se. I would use this, but if I was going to use this cutter for both, cutting out fabric and cutting paper, I might have a different blade for paper so that I'm not mixing up the two blades because the paper will dull the blade faster than it would for fabric. Okay, I'm going to hit cut and it's going to go.
Okay, I'll see you guys from there.
So I'm going to let her just cut a little bit.
See ya. We'll see her reaction.
Working on the inside first. And it'll probably take about, I don't know, 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to cut this out. So instead of actually waiting for that,
Oh,
I've already got one sheet cut here.
Jade!
And once it's cut,
What?
basically,
Jade! Jade!
Yeah?
Oh, why you have the handcuffs on?
I don't know.
Well, that sucks for you.
Take them off. Jade! Jade! Take them off.
Okay.
Jade!
Okay, I'm coming.
That's not nice. I'm sleeping.
I'm sorry.
Take them off.
You wanted to do something on you.
Hey, Mom, I want you to know it's a prank.
It's a prank?
Yeah.
Jade!
Don't ground me.
I'm gonna. Don't do that to me again. I mean it.
Sorry.
Don't do it.
I'm sorry.
Get them off. That takes too long. Oh my god, am I stuck in them?
No.
Oh my gosh. Undo it. Oh. Oh. Jade. Okay, that's enough now.
Okay, so I just pranked my mom and she freaked out, and so I think she's gonna ground me, right?
No.
Okay, so I guess she's not grounding me, but hope you guys enjoyed this skit. I had her act like she was sleeping, but in reality, she would have been mad and pissed. So, hope you guys enjoyed this, my handcuff video, double lock hinged, black model handcuffs. So yeah, I'm Budness, my Tony Budness, Jade Budness, and we are out.